YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, it's gonna be another skincare video. As you guys know, on my channel, I've been trying to figure out different things that work well for my skin. I had this company Duvolle reach out to me. They offered to send me a Radiance Spin-Care system. It's a long title, so I had to make sure I get it right. And I was like, you know, why not? You know, since I'm on this whole, like, you know, getting my skin right, might as well try something new. They did also give me a code for my supporters. So the code is KIML70. I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. I'm also gonna put it down in the description box. Now, I'm gonna use this for a month. As you guys know, anytime I'm doing something skincare wise, I think a month is enough time to figure out if something is gonna work for you. Now, I'm not gonna use it every single day, maybe like probably just 2 times a week, just because I don't want to overdo it with my skin, because it is something new to me. But I am so excited. I'm really grateful to them for, you know, sending me this for free, so I did not pay for it, you know, and just letting me try out their product, and hopefully it's something that'll work well for you guys. By the way, that code, if it does work out for me, hopefully it works for you as well, gives you 70% off. 70%. So it ends up being $28.50 for the Spin-Care brush, which is a steal. So I'm gonna unbox it, and we're gonna do an initial impressions, and then I'm going to take off my makeup, and we are gonna try it for the first time on camera, because why not? Not gonna do it in my bathroom, because we know the lighting in my bathroom doesn't give, you know, the best impression. So here it is. They have a packing slip that tells you what you got, and then this is the Spin-Care system that they send you. So I'm actually pretty excited, one, because you guys know I've been trying out a lot of skincare stuff. In addition to that, I've actually wanted to try out a brush Spin-Care system for, I don't want to say a while, but I've been wanting to try it out. I don't want to say it was a little bit skeptical. I do have a history of trying out brushes like this before, and with me just not really realizing how my skin was, I was being too rough. In addition to that, the brush itself was rough. So I'm like, you know, hopefully, because this gives you a couple different pieces that you could interchange, hopefully this is going to be different. Oops. Hopefully this is going to be different from what I'm used to, and I can already tell that it's a lot softer. Yeah, it's definitely a lot softer than the product that I tried. Now, this was like when spin brushes first came out, like years ago, but this is definitely soft and should be really gentle on my face. Now, one of the pieces has a, I think this is like a pumice, don't quote me. Maybe I should just read the instructions so it'll tell me exactly what it is. But I like the fact that it gives you different options. So it tells you whatever, yep, pumice. I said I was wrong. So it tells you here what you get, like what each of the pieces are. Okay. I'm excited that they give you a body brush, because I do like to like also cleanse my skin a couple times a week. But I am excited, and like I said, we are gonna use this. So I finally got it open. It does not come with batteries, but it just looks like it takes 2 AA batteries. 2, maybe 4. Let me double check that, just so I can be certain. 4 AA batteries. Not bad. It's a good thing I have batteries on hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab batteries for this. I'm going to take off my makeup, because I wouldn't use something like this to take off my makeup. What I would normally do if I was using this as part of like my process or a day where I am exfoliating my skin, I would make sure that I go through all the steps of like removing my makeup, you know, using whatever wipes, and then right before I'm finished washing my face, that's when I would use something like this. So I'm going to do all those steps first, and I'm going to come back to you guys on camera, and we're going to use this and try this out together for the first time and get my initial impressions. So I will be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back from taking off all the makeup off of my face. I have a bowl with warm water here. I have the Radiance Spin-Care system. I did put the batteries in. I did go ahead and put on the softest of the tips because, again, light exfoliation is what works best for me. I did also grab my cleanser. As you guys know, I'm doing a skincare routine video for this. And then I also grabbed a cloth to dry my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to damp my face. Just so that it's easier for my cleanser to lather. I'm probably also going to damp the brush as well. So I'm going to dip it in the warm water. I'm just going to sit it on the rag here so that I don't get my vanity wet. And then I'm going to put the cleanser on my face. Normally I wash my face twice. So I'm going to exfoliate it once and then I'll go into my bathroom and wash it off with this by itself. I did read the instructions and it does say to do it in a circular motion when you're using it, which makes sense. So I'm just grabbing a little bit more cleanser here. Just want to get that on my face first. Rinse my fingertips off. And then I'm going to dip this in water again and I'm going to turn it on. Oh, this is nice. Wait, does it go in? I'm trying to figure, I guess it only goes in one direction, which makes sense. Oh, I like this. It feels nice and gentle. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Oh, circular motion. Would help if I listened a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see. I feel like it wasn't this color before. Like that's the dirt that it got off of my face. I'm gonna dip it in the water again. Just want to make sure it lathers up really nicely, especially on my nose. As you guys heard me mention, I started to get whiteheads on my nose because I wasn't exfoliating from all the skincare products that I was trying out. Get these little baby hairs out the way. Oh, that is good. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Come on, focus. Do you guys see how dirty that is? I am impressed. I'm really impressed. Now let's rinse this off. I'm gonna turn this on now. It does mention in the instructions that you want to make sure you get in between the bristles, but I just want to rinse that off. So from how it was then to how it is now, hopefully you guys will be able to see it. See how clean it is? I'm impressed. And not because I got it for free, because you guys know I don't do that here on my channel. I'll give you guys honest content, but I'm impressed by the amount of dirt that it removed from my face. Let me go wash this off so I can give you guys like the full details. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed off my face. I just want to describe to you guys the way my face is feeling. As you guys saw, once I was done cleansing my face with this, you saw how much dirt and makeup, I guess, that I still had on my face that it removed. Now I do also want to walk you guys through my routine just so you can understand how many times I actually wash my face or try to take the makeup off before I use this, and it's a normal part of my process, so nothing with that has changed in regards to me using this. So normally I will use a makeup wipe, then I would use a makeup remover. I use a makeup remover, it's a cleansing wash from Clinique. I wash my face with that twice before I go in and exfoliate, just so that you understand. And then normally when I'm done exfoliating, I will cleanse my face twice. I actually only used this the one time, which is when I was using the spin brush, and it got my face really, really clean. Now my face feels clean, but it doesn't feel... I'm trying to find the right words for it. Last time I used a brush like this, and could also be my pressure. But the bristles on that brush wasn't this soft. It felt as though it was scarring my face, like scratching my face. This didn't give me that same impression, so I'm definitely looking forward to using it for the next month. Like I said, I'm probably going to use it twice a week. That's normally when I exfoliate my face, and you know, try that out and let you guys know, you know, how I feel about it. For the price that you guys are going to be getting it for, like that code KimL70, for right now, I would say it's, you know, it's a steal. But let me come back to you guys in a month, let you guys know how I feel about it. But so far so good, and I'm actually really looking forward to using this because I like the way my face is feeling right now. Like, it feels clean. I even went in with like toner and wiped my face off, and it was a lot cleaner than it's been in the past. So I definitely look forward to coming back to you guys in a month and let you guys know how I feel about it. But that wraps this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.